Okay, let's just get right to it. What is inside a black hole? It's probably one of the biggest, most mind-bending questions out there, right? A cosmic riddle that has fascinated us for generations. What actually happens when you cross that point of no return?
I mean, think about it. Could it be some kind of cosmic shortcut, a wormhole? Or maybe it's the ultimate prison, a place you can never, ever leave. Or is it something way weirder? A place where physics as we know it just completely falls apart. Well, guess what? We're gonna dive into all three of these incredible ideas.
So, to really get to the bottom of this, we're not just going to sit here and talk about theories. No. We are actually going on a journey together. Let's imagine we have this futuristic simulation, a mission to see for ourselves what might be waiting for us on the other side. All right, simulation is a go. We are officially leaving Earth's orbit. Our destination? The most extreme, most mysterious objects in the entire universe. And for our first stop, we're headed straight for the big one, the supermassive giant right at the heart of our very own galaxy. All right, expedition number 1. Here we're testing the theory that a black hole could be a wormhole, and our target is none other than Sagittarius A star, the supermassive black hole that anchors our entire Milky Way. Okay, as we get closer, look at that. You can see this insane cluster of stars just whipping around it at unbelievable speeds. It's like this beautiful, chaotic dance around, well, nothing. An invisible center. All right, everyone, you might want to strap in. We're going in. Whoa, we're through. Just like that. It was instantaneous. But hold on a second. This doesn't look like home anymore. The constellations, the nebulae, I don't recognize any of this. Where on Earth, or where in the universe are we? Okay, let me pull up the cosmic map. Get this, we are 4 billion light years from home. We traveled that distance in like the blink of an eye. So in this scenario, the black hole wasn't a trap at all. It was a tunnel, a shortcut, a wormhole connecting 2 super distant points in space-time. Incredible! So we made it through Expedition 1, but, that just opens up a whole new can of worms, doesn't it? Is every black hole a shortcut like that? Or could some of them be, well, something completely different? Let's reset the simulation and find out. Okay, Expedition 2 is a go. This time, we're exploring a much darker idea, the black hole as an eternal prison. We're heading to a different target, SS433, which is actually the closest known black hole to us. Let's see how this one plays out. Right away, you can see this one's got a different vibe. See that? It has a massive companion star orbiting super close, and the black hole is literally sucking material right off of it. Totally different setup. All right, let's head on in. Okay, we're inside, but something's wrong. Really wrong. Everything's just stopped. I'm trying the controls. Forward, back, nothing. We're stuck. We're completely frozen. It feels, I don't know, like the universe itself just hit pause. This is so bizarre. Think about it. Outside this black hole, everything's normal. Space and time are just doing their thing. But in here, nope, we literally can't move through space. And look at the clock, it's frozen. For us, right here, right now, time itself has just stopped. So here we are, just suspended in this weird, endless white tunnel. There's no way forward, and there's definitely no going back. See, this black hole isn't a passage. It's the final stop. It's a prison, forever, outside of time itself. No escape. Okay, hitting reset one last time. We've got one final, and honestly, the most mind-bending theory to check out. For Expedition 3, we are going all the way right to the very heart of the black hole itself. We're going to the Singularity. So what is the Singularity? Well, it's the point where all our rules of physics just break. Completely. Just try to imagine all the stuff, stars, planets, everything, that's ever fallen into this black hole. All of it crushed down into a point that is infinitely small. Smaller than a single atom. Yeah, that's where we're going. We're here. We've reached it. And wow, what we're seeing is, I don't even have the words. It's like the entire universe, all of it, is reflected back at us in this infinite repeating pattern of images. You can see the past, the present, the future, all at once, laid out like a mosaic. It's like looking at the entire cosmos from a point that's completely outside of time. But wait, something's changing. We're not stuck, and we're not being transported somewhere else. We're being pushed out. ejected. We're being thrown back out with this incredible force, tumbling back into the regular, familiar space we left behind. We survived.
Okay, simulation complete. We've done it. 3 expeditions, 3 totally different possibilities, but all of them theoretically on the table. So, what's the real answer? What is truly waiting inside a black hole?
So, we've seen a gateway to another galaxy, a prison where time stops, and a cosmic mirror that spits you back out. But here's the key thing to remember. These are all just ideas, right? They're brilliant hypotheses based on the math and physics we have, but at the end of the day, we just don't have the proof. And that brings us to the ultimate catch-22 of a black hole. It's a real paradox. The only way to know for sure what's inside is to, well, go inside. But the whole point of a black hole is that once you're in, you can never ever get back out to tell anyone what you saw. The information is just trapped in there with you forever. And you know, that's exactly why these things are so fascinating. They literally represent the edge of what we know. It's the point where science hits a brick wall that we can't see over. At least, not yet. It's a pretty humbling and honestly an awe-inspiring mystery when you think about it. So, after this whole journey we've been on together, I've got to ask you, a wormhole, a prison, or a gateway to infinity? What do you think is inside? What's your gut feeling about what's waiting for us in the dark?